Hi, my name's Lisa from Pilates by Lisa, and today I'll be introducing you to some fun and effective exercises that not only lift, sculpt, firm and tone your butt, but also improve the function and the strength of the hip joint. We'll be focusing on the glute med, so you'll be really protecting and strengthening, and stabilising the hip joint, and also improving the stability of the pelvis. Now all you need for these exercises is your mat, so let's get started. We're going to start by coming all the way down onto our side on the mat. Now make sure that your head is supported by your hand, abs are pulled in tight, neck is long. You're going to make sure the knees are right up in line with your hips and the ankles are in line with the knees. So you're making a 90-degree bend at both the hip joint and the knee joint, and you're making sure that your shins are parallel with the edge of the mat. Squeeze your heels together, pull your abdominals in, keep the heels pressing together as you externally rotate that top knee without moving your pelvis. So there's absolutely no movement through your hips. You're pressing up and then lowering down. Good, 3 and 4. Keep those shoulders down and away from your ears. Pull your navel deep in towards your spine. Good, lengthen through that neck and make sure there's a constant pressure with those heels. Good, press and press. We'll do 10 more like this. 10. Good, and externally rotate. Keep pressing those heels into one another and keep drawing your navel in towards your spine. 6 to go. 6 and 5. Good, chest is nice and open. 3 more. 3 and 2 and 1. Now lift the entire leg, the ankle stays in line with the knee, and you close it back down, squeeze those legs together, press up and lift. Good, keep those hips facing forward so there's no movement backwards. You're not rolling back with your leg, you're just moving from your hip socket, pressing up. Keep those hips facing forward. If they had spotlights on them, they'd be facing directly forward, shining forward and not rotating up towards the ceiling or the sky. Good, press and press. We'll do 10 more like this. So it's not a big lift, just opening enough so you can keep that stability and keep that alignment. Lifting up. 7 and 6. Just 5 more. And 4. 3 and 2. Hold this last one up. Now you're going to keep the leg in that same shape. You're going to circle the knee. Good, rotating around, pulling the abdominals up and in, lifting, circling through that hip socket. Remember, the pelvis stays still the whole way through. There's the challenge, there's that core challenge. 4 more in this direction, and 3, 2, and 1. Now we change directions, it's starting to burn. Good, lifting, lift, 4 and 5, 6 and 7. Good, 8, 9 and 10, and lower all the way down. Now if you want to check out the full-length version of this workout, check out my online studio at pilatesbylisa.com.au. We have this workout and over 500 more full-length, real-time workouts waiting for you. We have reformer workouts, programs, mat workouts, challenges, whatever you're looking for, you're going to find it. I can't wait to see you again on the mat.